don't even see what all the fuss is about. I don't snore that much. You're always making fun of me.
I don't see why you're fussing. Like, it honestly isn't that big of a deal. Can we just forget about it?
You would say forget about it. You have no ambition.
Oh, son, you still have that cold?
I guess.
Oh, no, come on. Let's get you some cough medicine right now. Come on. This will make you feel
Do you
much
hear
better.
him coughing right now? Honestly, if you hadn't gone to the chief doctor, none of this would have even happened.
So you're blaming me?
Yes?
That's my fault.
I'm
You are blaming me. You are killing him. You are corrupting him. You're killing him.
I would never. I love that kid. What? He's my brother. You think I would never hurt my brother?